Check out the chicken tractor, Lucy. What do you think? It's a cage, isn't it? You don't like it, do you? You don't like it? It's not meant for you. I'm just curious. Can you find a way out? Huh? Check it out.
Alright, looks like it's going to work. I could have pulled a little further out. I probably should have pulled on past it a little bit. But what we got going on here, we have what's called a transfer pump. This is a TaskStar transfer pump. As we age, Wanda and I having trouble picking these 5-gallon cans up onto the hoods of these tractors, because we have to put a cloth on the hood to keep them running the paint job. And then you got to lift that thing up above there like that to get it up there, you know, to try to pour it. It's a mess. And the way they have these new fuel things here, you got to turn it up and you got to mash a button in to make a fuel. That's probably the sorriest design I've ever seen in my life. But so we figured we'd take this TaskStar transfer pump and we'd give it a shot. Well, I ran into a couple of issues right off the bat with it. First off, it's good that it comes with a filter system on the end of it there to keep you from picking up trash out of the tank, you know. Well, they send these clamps that's got these big old wings on them there. And not only will this not go through the neck of most fuel cans, this just happened to be a large neck can, it'll fit through it, but if you put that wing thing on there, it won't go through there. So I had to go hunt up my own clamp to put on it where it would go down through there. That's something that probably wasn't thought out very good. Now, a friend of mine, Tim, gave me one of these here to hydraulic oil came in it to put diesel fuel in, because it's 5 gallons and it has a large cap on it that filter will fit down in it. These are just gas cans, but even the diesel ones I got over there are small like this. It won't go in it. So I've got a couple of options I've got to do here. I only have 2 diesel cans like this. Is to buy me some more of these with the large necks, or see if Tim might have some extra ones of them that I could get from him. Now, I've never used this thing. I've got it hooked up to a 12-volt battery here. It says to hook it up to a battery. It's positive to positive, negative to negative. I've never actually used it, so we're all going to learn together. There's a switch right on the side right here that turns it on. Let's just see what it does. It didn't say anything about priming. There it goes. boy.
That's a lot faster, isn't it?
I tell you what, it's coming out fast. Look at that.
Getting to the bottom. That's the fastest I seen when them sucked gas out of, or diesel out. You want all of it?
Well, hold on here. It's emptied that 5-gallon can in
Less than a minute.
less than a minute.
Beats holding it up, don't it?
Oh my gosh. What I was waiting for was to see, does it trip automatically? Because it has a lock on it here where you can close it, you know. And I don't know.
I wouldn't want to close it if you don't know how much fuel.
Yeah, I mean it.
So you don't have to sit and hold it.
Yeah, so you don't have to sit and hold it, but as soon as you let go of it, it goes down. I was waiting to see if it would click off, but
Is it full?
no.
Okay, then that may be the issue.
Uh,
Now my Kubota needs some diesel. You got more?
Dude, I mean, it emptied that 5-gallon can in less than a minute.
So what do you think of the TaskStar?
I love it right now. I mean, you don't have to prime it. You do have to squeeze the nozzle and let the air get out of the system. But dude, I'd be sitting there with that can. It takes me like 10 minutes with that thing sitting there
Plus the weight.
chug-a-lugging. Plus I'm having to hold it.
And mash that
Stand up here
button.
on the tire. I'm out of balance trying, hurt, with my back and everything. I've been using one of these little transfer pumps like this right here.
And it takes, what, 5 minutes or more?
It takes a little over 2 minutes to do it with this.
Is it 2 minutes?
2.5 minutes to do it with this. And, but I still have to pick the can up and put it on top of the hood. The only thing that was saving me was having to turn the can over and mash that button and hold it. This, all I gotta do is just sit the can right here and turn it on and squeeze the trigger. I mean, that, I like that. I really like that. So what we're probably going to end up doing is to put diesel in the rest of everything here. I'm going to have to take my diesel and pour it into this can and then transfer it from this into that till I can get a wide mouth diesel cans. These things go on sale from TaskStar starting September the 1st through the 15th. We have a link in the description down below with a code, and you get a certain percentage off if you purchase one of them. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm sold. That's the easiest I've ever put fuel in anything, Now, I will say this. If you're using gasoline, and you got like the top open on it here and the fumes and the batteries right here, and you happen to do that and it sparked, it's not a good situation. But for like us, we just do diesel. We won't use it for gas. We'll use it for diesel. And because I've got 2 tractors and we got a Kubota and all that runs off of diesel fuel. And we have to sit and, hold stuff like that. So now we'll be doing it this way from now on.
All right, can I pull mine into the gas station?
You have to let me put some fuel in this can and we'll pull it in here and do it. I'm having to hold it between my knees because I can't hold the can and squeeze this at the same time.
And it doesn't have a handle at the back.
It doesn't have a handle at the back. If it had a handle at the back, you could
like
do it.
This. And this thing is a pain in the butt.
Yeah, you have to push the lever up, shove that green thing down to do it. Pain in the behind. And heavy.
And this is what you'd be doing if you were up on the tractor.
Yeah, this is what you got to do up on a tractor. And 65 years old, I don't need to be doing this up on a tractor.
I think we
It's
need
hard
more.
enough to do it right here.
We need more wide mouth diesel
Yes,
cans.
we got to have more diesel cans that's got a wide mouth on them. Oh, God. Took a good 5 minutes of me sitting here bent over, putting that fuel into that. There's no call for that right there. Now I'm drunk and dizzy feeling from being bent over. Oh. All right, let's set this up here. Drop that back down in there. Ooh, about overfilled it, didn't I?
Fill her up.
All right.
Off first. See it? See it? You can't have that. All right, I need this.
Yep.
Okay.
And push the button. That's tax exempt, yeah.
That's easy. I can do this. I like our gas.
Well, it pumped that out in no time. Wow.
That is amazing.
That is literally,
I love it.
that's amazing.
So, if you're interested in a TaskStar transfer pump, check the link in the description below and use our promo code.
Wow, look at that. 5 gallons in less than a minute.
Lucy, we're ready to ride now, girl.
Look at that. Miss Lucy said she likes to ride.
All right, let's get the hay done.